In today's digital world, we interact with technology constantly. From smartphones to laptops, websites to apps, our experiences are shaped by user interfaces or UIs. A UI is the point of interaction between a user and a digital product or service. It encompasses all the elements that users see and interact with, such as buttons, menus, icons, and overall layout. A well-designed UI is crucial for creating positive user experiences. When a UI is intuitive and easy to use, users can navigate effortlessly and accomplish their goals with ease. On the other hand, a poorly designed UI can lead to frustration, confusion, and ultimately, user abandonment. Think about a time you struggled to navigate a website or app. Chances are, a poorly designed UI was to blame. Effective UI design is about more than just aesthetics. While visual appeal is important, it's equally important to prioritize functionality, usability, and accessibility. A successful UI should be visually engaging, while also being easy to understand and use for people of all abilities. In the following sections, we'll delve into 3 essential tools that UI designers use to create seamless and enjoyable user experiences: storyboards, wireframes, and mockups. Imagine you're designing a mobile game. You have a vision in mind, but how do you bring it to life? Before diving into the visual details, you need a clear understanding of how users will interact with the game. This is crucial for creating a seamless experience. This is where storyboarding comes in. It acts as a blueprint for your design. A storyboard is a visual representation of the user's journey through a digital product or service. It maps out each step in a clear and organized manner. Just like storyboards used in filmmaking, UI storyboards use a series of sketches or images to illustrate each step of the user's interaction. This helps in visualizing the flow. Each frame in the storyboard represents a specific screen or action, showing how users move through the app or website. This makes it easier to spot any potential issues. For example, in our mobile game storyboard, one frame might show the user opening the app, setting the stage for their journey. Another frame might show them selecting a game level, highlighting the choices available to the user. And another frame might show them playing the game, capturing the core interaction. Storyboarding helps UI designers to visualize the user flow. It provides a roadmap for the entire user experience. By mapping out the user journey, designers can identify potential pain points or areas where the experience could be improved. This proactive approach saves time and resources. It also helps to communicate ideas effectively. Clear visuals make it easier for everyone to understand the concept. Storyboards provide a clear and engaging way to share design concepts with stakeholders and team members. This ensures everyone is on the same page. And it allows for iteration and refinement of the user experience. Feedback can be easily incorporated. Storyboards allow designers to experiment with different approaches and make changes early in the design process. This flexibility is invaluable. By using storyboards, UI designers can gain a deeper understanding of the user's perspective and create more intuitive and enjoyable digital experiences. This ultimately leads to a more successful product. Once the user journey is mapped out through storyboarding, it's time to start thinking about the structure and layout of the UI. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire design process. This is where wireframing comes in. Wireframing acts as a bridge between the initial concept and the final design. A wireframe is a skeletal outline of a digital product or service, showing the placement of key elements and their relationship to one another. It provides a clear visual guide for the structure. Wireframes are typically low fidelity, meaning they focus on functionality rather than visual aesthetics. This allows designers to concentrate on the core elements without getting distracted by design details. They use simple shapes, lines, and placeholders to represent different UI elements, such as buttons, menus, images, and text blocks. This simplicity makes it easier to make quick adjustments. Think of a wireframe as the blueprint of a building. It shows the overall structure and layout without getting bogged down in the details of paint colors and furniture. It's all about the big picture. Wireframing helps UI designers to define the information hierarchy. This ensures that the most important elements are given prominence. By prioritizing and organizing content, designers can ensure that users can easily find what they're looking for. This enhances the overall user experience. It also helps to establish the layout and navigation. A well-structured wireframe guides users seamlessly through the interface. Wireframes help designers determine the optimal placement of UI elements for ease of use. This is crucial for creating an intuitive interface. Additionally, wireframes allow for testing different design concepts. This iterative process helps in refining the design. Wireframes provide a quick and easy way to experiment with different layouts and interactions before investing time in high-fidelity mockups. This saves time and resources. By creating wireframes, UI designers can ensure that the structure and flow of their designs are logical, intuitive, and user-friendly. This foundational step is key to successful UI design. While wireframes provide a structural blueprint, mockups bring the UI to life with visual details, adding depth and realism. A mockup is a high-fidelity representation of the final product, showcasing the visual design elements such as colors, typography, imagery, and overall style. It serves as a bridge between the conceptual wireframe and the final product. Mockups are created using design software and aim to accurately represent the look and feel of the final product, ensuring that every visual detail is meticulously crafted. They allow designers to experiment with different visual styles, color palettes, and typography choices to find the perfect aesthetic for their target audience, ensuring that the design resonates well with users. Mockups also allow stakeholders to visualize the final product and provide feedback on the design direction, making it easier to align on the vision. The benefits of using mockups include visualizing the final product in a realistic manner. Mockups provide a realistic representation of how the UI will look and feel, allowing designers and stakeholders to get a clear understanding of the design direction and make informed decisions. They also help in testing different design elements, ensuring functionality and usability. Mockups allow designers to experiment with different visual styles, color palettes, and typography choices to find the perfect aesthetic for their target audience, refining the design to meet user expectations. And they are great for gathering feedback and iterating, making the design process more collaborative. Mockups provide a tangible artifact for stakeholders to review and provide feedback on, allowing for iterative design improvements and ensuring that the final product meets everyone's expectations. By creating mockups, UI designers can ensure that their designs are visually appealing, on-brand, and aligned with the overall user experience goals, ultimately leading to a successful final product.
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.